Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the Monday of the 9th day of September in the year 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and thorough analyses for any one among 25,000 companies around the globe today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 3rd of September, 2024, our system has categorized NIO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 34.22% since we first recommended purchasing NIO 5 days ago. This results in an average return of 6.84% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 7.41% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 41.62% to negative 7.41%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points to a possible decline of 57.13% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 86.91% and negative 68.76%. This corresponds to a price range of 0.729 to 1.74 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, "Significant fluctuations in NIO stock price on Monday, moving nearly 18% between high and low." The NIO stock price increased by nearly 11% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of September, 2024, rising from $5.02 to $5.57. This marks a consecutive rise over 7 days. It's uncommon for stocks to experience such a streak, making potential declines in the coming days a possibility. On the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of nearly 18%, with a low of $4.76 and a high of $5.61. It has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has seen an increase of over 36% in the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume rose on the last day, accompanying the price increase, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 19 million more shares were traded than the day before. Overall, 122 million shares changed hands for approximately $681,840,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $10.88, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price is nearly 49%, or $5.31, below the 52-week high, and is approximately 92%, or $61.42, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO's stock has recently experienced significant momentum, driven by impressive results for the second quarter. The company reported nearly doubling its shipments compared to the previous quarter, reaching approximately $2.4 billion in sales. This performance resulted in a narrower-than-expected loss, decreasing from 45 cents to 30 cents per share, reflecting strong growth in vehicle deliveries with an extraordinary 144% increase year over year. Investors have responded positively, pushing the stock up by 14%. The guidance for the third quarter indicates that NIO anticipates record deliveries between 61,000 and 63,000 units. Furthermore, NIO's commitment to improving vehicle margins to 12.2% has bolstered investor sentiment, easing concerns in a competitive landscape where pricing pressures from rivals like Tesla persist. Looking ahead, NIO plans to launch a lower-priced brand and expand its battery swapping stations, which could solidify its long-term growth potential. The recent upgrade from analysts to buy signals stronger market confidence. In the short term, these developments may continue to drive stock price appreciation as investors respond to the growth narrative. Over the long term, if NIO maintains its delivery momentum and enhances profitability, the stock could position itself as a more attractive investment in the expanding electric vehicle market. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned NIO an overweight grade and took an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 5th of September, 2024, U.S. Tiger Securities rated NIO with a buy grade and took a hold action. On the same day, Bank of America Securities provided a neutral grade for NIO along with a hold action. Also on that Thursday, Morgan Stanley rated NIO as overweight and opted for a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, Citigroup assigned a buy grade to NIO while also taking a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for NIO. NIO stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $4.54 and $4.15. A breakdown below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 7th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has increased by 51.77%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 242 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.87 and $4.46. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this instance, NIO finds support just below today's level at $4.87. If this support is broken, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at $4.46 and $4.44. This stock has the potential for significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high level of risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 85 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 17.86%. For the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 9.04%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal ongoing profitability issues and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 3rd of December, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates are at negative 31 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the best exit point. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $4.87. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.38, representing a decrease of 3.44%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 78, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 38 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to consider it a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is best viewed as a hold candidate or one for accumulation, while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate rating since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of September, we anticipate NIO to open lower by 257 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $5.31. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.